Okay, so we're given a quadratic relation. What form is this written in? Okay, so this is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. When a is any number other than 1, in this case it's a 6, how do I factor this? What am I looking for? Okay, we need to multiply a, in this case is 6, times c, which is negative 10, and I'm trying to find two things that multiply together to give me the result of a times c. So what's a times c? What's 6 times negative 10? Negative 60. So I'm looking for factors of negative 60. So two numbers that multiply to give me negative 60 that do what? Add up to b, which in this case is negative 11. Good. So I want you to list all the factors of negative 60. So let's start with negative 1 and positive 60, which would give me a sum of 59. That doesn't work, right? Okay, so you tried negative, let's do negative 4 and positive 15. What's negative 4 plus 15? Positive 11. Does that work? Does that give me negative 11? No, so these don't work. It's close. Well, so what am I going to do with the signs? Change them to positive 4 and negative 15. What's negative 15 plus 4? So I get negative 11. This now. Now that you know the factors, which are positive 4 and negative 15, how do I rewrite my equation, which was this? What do I do with these factors now? What we're doing is we're splitting up this negative 11x, positive 4 and negative 15, right? Should I put the positive 4 with my 6, or should I put it with my negative 10? Because you also need to replace negative 15 somewhere. You want to place them with a number that you could find a common factor. Okay, so where would I put plus 4? Okay, so it's going to become, I'm decomposing this, so it's going to become 6x squared plus 4x minus 15x, and then I have my minus 10. All you are kind of doing here is splitting up the negative 11x into positive 4x and negative 15x, because I know that will give me negative 11x. I'm just rewriting this. Okay, see what I'm doing here? Now I can find the greatest common factors of this part of my equation, and then I can find the greatest common factors of this part of my equation. Okay, what are the greatest common factors of 6 and 4? Sorry, I should say 6x squared and 4x. What can both of those terms be divided by? Thank you. 2x. So what's 6x squared divided by 2x? 3x. And then 4x divided by 2x is 2. Common factors of negative 15x and negative 10 are negative 5. So what's negative 15x divided by negative 5? Negative and a negative gives us positive. 15 divided by 5 is 3x. And then I have a negative divided by a negative again. Positive. What's 10 divided by 5? 2. So to write this in factored form, yeah. Let's take the bracket, so it would be
3x plus 2.
good.
Take the number outside the bracket.
So that would be 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now I have this written in factored form. The question said to find the roots of the equation. What's another word for finding the roots of an equation? What are you finding? Deb? The x-intercepts. Or the zeros, okay? So now we have it in factored form. I'm going to write this again. 3x plus... And then it was, what was it? 2x minus 5 equals 0. So I need to find my values of x. So I have 3x plus 2 equals 0, and I have 2x minus 5 equals 0. So 3x is equal to negative 2. How do I isolate x? Ron? Divide by... So x is equal to negative 2 over 3. What is that as a decimal? negative 0.6 repeating, and if 2x minus 5 equals 0, 2x equals positive 5, divide both sides by, so x equals 5 over 2, or as a decimal that would be 2.5.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.